Build breaks, releases stall. CAPTCHAs ambush every automated test night shift QA hero watches pipelines die under invisible walls RPA bots dance, stumble, and collapse at every challenge manager's whisper, manual clicks like a defeatist spell we blamed flaky selectors, flaky servers, even timing truth screams. It's not your code. It's CAPTCHA interruptions, inter-CAPTCHA interception. Silent Sentinel for automated flows, it intercepts challenges, responds, and keeps pipelines moving centralized. Monitoring logs every challenge, claim, and resolution manual intervention drops. Release cycles compress into hours QA engineers breathe. Test coverage finally reaches promised levels RPA developers deploy bots that never beg for clicks again website operators see uptime soar and false positives vanish. Overnight if CAPTCHAs are your nightmare. Make CAPTCHA interception your guardian. Start a trial now. Reclaim automation, speed, and confidence.